Hi everyone, welcome to our creative journey together, where we will be exploring an enchanting world of forest animal through the magic of drawing. Today we embark on an exciting adventure as we learn to draw a forest animal with easy steps, along with how to create a forest glade effect. Let's first find out what is forest glade. A forest glade is a term used to describe a small open area within a forest. It is a peaceful and spot where sunlight filters through the trees, creating an enchanting atmosphere. Forest glades are often filled with wildflowers, lush green, a small stream or pond, animals, butterflies roaming around. It's a perfect place to relax, enjoy nature, and feel connected to the beauty of the forest. Let's begin with the drawing of a majestic deer. Did you know that the deer are fascinating creatures? Let me share one fact. Deer are known for their incredible leaping abilities. They can jump as high as 10 feet and as far as 30 feet in the single pond. Now grab your pencil and let your imagination run wild as we bring the grace and beauty of the deer to life on our paper. You can pause the video, replay the video till you feel that your deer is perfect and in proportion. Let's learn a clever and a cunning fox. But first, here is a fun fact about foxes. Foxes are incredibly adapted animals and can be found in various habitats around the world, including forests, deserts, mountains, and even urban areas. So let your imagination soar as we bring the charm and allure of a fox to the life on our paper. Don't forget to stop the video, pause, replay again and again till you feel that you are making your fox in a right proportion and size. It's time to learn how to draw a standing bear. Before we begin, here's an interesting fact about bear. Bears have an incredibly strong sense of smell, which helps them to locate food from a distance. Bears have a remarkable ability to hibernate for a long period of time. During hibernation, their heart rate slows down and they can go for months without eating, drinking, or passing waste. It's nature's way of conserving energy during the colder months. I'm reminding you again, don't forget to stop or replay the video if your bear is not turning out in a right size and proportion. Take your time, take a deep breath, and continue practicing. Let's draw a raccoon. This will be the last drawing of this video, and while I'm drawing, let me share an amazing and a fun fact about raccoons. Raccoons are highly adaptable and intelligent creatures. Raccoons are also excellent climbers and have a unique adaptation in their hind feet. They possess flexible ankles and enable them to rotate their back feet almost 180 degrees. This remarkable ability allows raccoons to climb down trees headfirst and navigate their environment with ease. So after this drawing of a raccoon, you try to practice all 4 animals on the separate paper and practice till you feel that the proportions, size, and your lines are perfectly done. Now let's start with our wonderful final project. Drawing a deer and creating a simple background will make this beautiful composition, and I will also share some of the artwork which we created in the studio, where you can see that we did the wolf and we did the bear. So for my new lesson I am doing a deer, so my students in the studio will get more options to see. You need to draw your animal in between the box, so you can draw a small box and then you can draw inside the box your animal. Make sure that your animal should not be on the top of the paper or at the bottom of the paper, so try to draw in somewhere in the middle of the paper. After you are done with your drawing, you can use any medium which is available at home, oil pastel or watercolor. I have used oil pastel for my animal, and I will be using oil pastel for all my tree branches along with some bushes. Once I am done with my oil pastel, I will be adding some watercolor on top of it. Now we are done with our oil pastel. Now it's time to do the background. For the sky, you can use any color of your choice. I might be doing some circles to represent the yellow sun. You can do a moon, or if you don't want to create that sun effect, you don't have to do it. In my other project, I made a sun with watercolor, and I also made a wolf with a moon. So it's completely your idea or imagination what you want to do it. I will be doing a little bit of a starry night effect, which is inspired by Vincent van Gogh. But as I'm doing the daytime, I will not add the night colors, but I will use my impressionism technique of short strokes around my sun, and then I'm going to add my watercolor on top of it. So do comment if you know who is Vincent van Gogh, and have you seen Starry Night painting? Let's begin with watercolor. It's a simple way. You can just add water paint on top of your oil pastel or wherever you have the white areas. Colors can be your choice. You can add any color of your choice. Just remember to follow the right direction. Wherever you have used oil pastel in a circling motion, try to move your brush in a circling direction. Wherever it's in a vertical way, move your brush in a vertical direction. And wherever you have done horizontal strokes, try to go in a horizontal direction. So this is the last step of our artwork today. We will be using black paper to add the forest glade. Both of the sides we will be adding the tree branches by folding the paper in a vertical direction and drawing a tree branch. Make sure you will be drawing not from the closed side of the paper but from the open side of the paper. You can draw by using pencil. I am using markers so you will be able to see clearly in the video. This will add a 3-dimension elements in your artwork. Cutting out the outlining of your tree branch and sticking it onto your paper will give your drawing an extra touch of realism. Carefully position it on your paper. You can use glue or any adhesive tape to secure it in a place. This technique will create a beautiful layer effect and enhance the overall composition of your artwork. To create on the foreground, you can use the leftover black paper, cut them in a bushes effect and just stick it on the foreground. So here you go. I can't wait to see your work. Don't forget to share your artwork with me. You can get inspired by different ideas, and I will also share some of our students' work, what they have done in the studio.